Okay, everyone, so last video. So I just kind of wanted to show you something that Jeff and I played around with today on Showbie, and it actually works really well. I had some students do it this week, and I'll show you that after the fact. But, sometimes you give them a worksheet. So you've emailed them a worksheet, and you would like to see how they're doing on it. You know how you have them working, they're asking questions, they might be in breakout rooms doing it. So one way to actually use Showbie effectively is for them to use their XP pens and do the work right in Showbie. So I have this practice class I made, and I'm going to pretend I'm a student, and I'm going to go right here to test. And so this would have been like their homework assignment, right? And they know how to use this. And so I'm going to go here to Jeff. So I'm going to pretend I'm Jeff. And Jeff actually already uploaded something today, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to press the plus sign, and I'm going to add from computer, and I'm going to go find something. So let me go to my sync, and here I'll just go to Algebra 2, and we're working. All right, I'll just grab this. Extra practice graphing vertex form. I don't really know what that is, but I'm going to open it. And it's opening. Okay, so now the student can do all of that. They download just like they were doing a homework assignment, and they click on it. And when they do, this appears. Just like when you're grading, and they can zoom in, and they can take their XP pen, and they can grab the pen, and they can start writing. So they can write. And then when they're done, they press done, and now you can see their work. And so you can write directly on it if you want. You can give them comments, You can give them voice comments, and you can do whatever you want. So we tried it out today, and it worked really great. Couple little tiny little issues came up just with the pen, but it's not something, they'll get used to it. So like here's Jeff's today, and again, you can't see it real well this way, but if you use this feature, I mean, look how clear that is. And they can pick any color they want. They can pick any different length they want. I'm going to use this one. They can write in it. They can change colors. They can use a highlighter. So really easy way, quick and easy way for them to use the XP pen that might be helpful. Now, I actually had a situation this week that I was giving a test on Thursday, and a student in my B period, her printer broke. And while she has one, it was not working. So she couldn't print it out, and I was really worried because it was geometry. So she actually, I'm going to show you what she did. She went directly into the test. She downloaded it to Showbie, and you can see she did her work directly with her XP pen right on Showbie. So looks pretty clear to me. And she actually doesn't have the best handwriting, so it worked out pretty good. She marked her diagrams. She could use different colors. It really worked. So just another thought just for you to think about. And the nice thing too is if you wanted to put the test directly on here for students, then they actually wouldn't have access to it after you lock it. So we could have all of them like do a quiz on here. And then you don't have to worry too much about the test getting out unless they were screenshotting or something like that. Anyways, so that's a little bit that ways that maybe you hadn't considered using Showbie, and I thought might be helpful for you. Okay? Have a great night.